Hi everyone, I'll be teaching you guys how to save or upload files to your Google Drive. Alright, so first let's open a browser over here, which is Google Chrome. So you can either just type the link in, which is drive.google.com, and it will take you to Google Drive, or alternatively, you can go to Google and you can see that there are dots over here and there's an icon for the Google Drive. So you can just go ahead and click that one, and it should take you to Google Drive. To upload files or save files to your drive, you can see here that there is a button here that says new, and there's an option that says file upload. So you can just go ahead and click on that one and just find whatever you want to upload. All right, so for example, let's do this one over here. All right, and as you can see, it's already uploading. And one other thing you could do is to just drag the files to your drive, like so. For example, let's do this one over here and just drag it over here. And you can see it's already uploading. And there you go. That's how you save or upload files to your Google Drive.